So whatever you do inside of this Figma file, it is actually saved out onto a cloud storage. So let me just bring out a star right here. Let me just go around right here, create a rectangle. And if I were to go around, change the color, everything is stored out in the cloud. But let's say I want to save a local copy of the file. Then what I can do is I can go around over here on the main menu. Then what I can do is I can go around into file, and over here you can see save a local copy is an option. Once I click on save a local copy, it opens up my Explorer window so I can navigate on to the place where I want to save the file in, and then just save this out as a .fiz file right here. So over here on my desktop, you can see that there's the Figma file. But to open this is not straightforward. You cannot just double click and it'll open it. So let me just close the untitled window right here. What you have to do is while you're on the home page, simply click and drag the Figma file over here and leave it right here. And now what happens is that it imports out the file right here. So it says file imported successfully, and this is the local file that you have. You already have the cloud version of the file, and over here once you dragged it in, it got stored in the cloud as well. And that is how you can save a local copy of the file inside of Figma and then import it out inside of Figma. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.